It's the Garden Gang Show.
It's a sunny day. Tommy, Callie, and Benny are in the garden.
Let's plant a tree.
Yes! Trees give shade and clean air.
And homes for birds, too.
Gang brings out tools. Shovel, watering can, small sapling, shovel, tree, water. Dig hole. Place the baby tree. Cover, down goes the tree. Nice and strong.
Let's pat the dirt. Tap, tap, tap.
Benny waters the plant gently. Water, water. Not too fast. Help the tree and make it last. Tree, water, grow.
Tree, water, grow.
A bird lands in the little tree. Look, a bird is here to say thank you.
Our tree is already helping.
We plant, we help, we care today. Garden Gang leads the way. Trees grow tall, birds will play. See you on another day.